Hey everybody, Mikeycat Outdoors here. So what are we doing today? Out here at the P16 hunting lot at Giant City State Park. Gonna go see the Red Cedar Waterfall, or what trickle remains of it. So let's check it out. Well, starting out our journey here through the prairie grass. A little wet today. Had a nice tornadic thunderstorm come through the region last night. So a little bit of rain out here still. Up here at the little intersection, I'll go off to the left, head down this way towards the entrance to the Red Cedar Trail. Well, there's a trail marker. If you go that way, you're still on the Red Cedar, and it goes on up eventually back to the campground many miles away. But Danielson, yeah. You got the Red Cedar. It looks almost like a Japanese flag. That's how you can kind of tell where you're at. And it's blazed like that along this entire trail. 12-mile trail total. Really nice. Got a campsite about 6 miles in the center of it. But one of the features that you see if you go counterclockwise and you do it in a 2-day fashion, if you stay overnight, you'll run across these waterfall areas out here. This is where we're going. Here near the little offshoot trail goes back to the waterfall. You can definitely hear it running out here. There's people out here too. Slicker than schneid out here, baby. So this is a very, very beautiful place out here. If you're ever on the Red Cedar Trail, you can get to it, or you can go to that Hunting Branch parking lot where I started from and get out here. And it's not that long of a walk out here from that parking lot. Probably less than a mile to get in here, and then just get back out. And you know, you are gonna have a little bit of slickness out here, so definitely watch where you're walking. Between the rocks and the water and the moss and the mud, just kind of tread lightly and carefully. Use a hiking stick if you got one, but it's not too bad. Roots, baby. So what'd you think?
Very beautiful.
Very beautiful?
Very peaceful.
Peaceful? Yeah, it is.
Really get to merged into nature and feel good. It's like positive energy radiates from the water.
Very zen-like. So we can go that way to go back to the parking lot. We're going to go this way if you want to continue on the Red Cedar Trail. And I shall call this Dead Buzzard Log. Kind of looks like a dead bird.
I love you.
Oh, love you too. Hot rock. Well, we're getting back closer to the edge of the woods here, and it's a nice steady uphill coming back. It's not so bad going down. Coming back, you're going up. But a lot easier though than the time I did this with 25, 30 pounds on my back. So, little kitty, what do you think?
It's nice.
Nice trail?
Mm-hmm.
Do you ever think there was something like this out here at the park? No response. She's being shy. All right. There's the sign. That takes you Red Cedar. That one may loop you around to Red Cedar as well. I don't know. We're going back out this way to the left. Get back to that hunting parking lot. Right back up here. I'll take you back to the hunting lot. Well, everybody, if you like what you've seen, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, all that good stuff. Catch you guys again in the outdoors. As always, thanks for watching.